Hey people, it is 7:20 in the morning as I'm recording all this, and yesterday I was at this certain book exhibition, and the person there, they saw my channel and they said, "I think you set it up very long ago," because I guess my initial few videos and the way I look now, this no, but I think right now when I'm all dressed and fresh looking, I look young, but as the day wears on, you start looking old and tired. So no, the thing is, that's what there's a Buddhist parable also like that. Uh, I've spoken about it in one of my videos that to distract Gautam Buddha, his father had once called this courtesan, this dancer, because Gautam Buddha was a prince, right? Siddhartha. So, uh, like this dancer was brought so that the prince is charmed by her and he forgets all about his spiritual pursuits. But it is said that soon after her dance performance, she expected that the prince would say, "Oh, let's spend time together." But instead, Siddhartha just sat like that. He was just like, "Okay, the dance got over, so it's just got over." And this lady, the dancer, also, she was just also sitting there because she has to, according to what the king says, only then she can leave those premises. So she was sitting there, sitting there, sitting there, and finally she fell asleep because she was, you know, and even then, Prince Siddhartha continued sitting there. And 2 hours later, when the lady woke up, she woke up with kajal smeared, hair in disarray, and it completely how anyone looks when they wake up. So that's what apparently uh, Gautam Buddha, I mean Prince Siddhartha, who had not yet attained enlightenment then, even at that point, he felt the world's most prettiest being also, in a matter of minutes, if not hours, in a matter of hours, if not minutes, will suddenly look like, everybody is reduced to dust, so to speak. So that's when it occurred to him that it's that much more futile to chase after beauty and things that are so transient. So no, I know early morning gyan, but really yesterday when this person told me, I think you set it up very long ago. I was like, yeah, maybe, but yeah, I set it up. It's been 3 years now. This coming December. Now it's only February, right? No, it's March. Yeah, it, February it'll become 4 years. But yeah, I just want to keep at it. And yesterday I went and learned editing and all, and I don't know, in whatever capacity I'll try to make some well edited videos. So lots of gyan in the morning. I'll catch it, and it's already going to be 3 minute video, but it feels nice to sit and chat with you all, catch up. It's a catch up video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.